Oh my god, I wasn't. I forgot to hit start that whole time.
What?
I forgot to hit start that whole time. Unreal. Um. Hey guys, it's Reese.
No.
It's your boy Recibo. I've just mauled the whole chicken finger and you just missed it.
What was that noise?
Me.
This is zooming. How revolting.
Hermione Granger.
Why Hermione?
Hermione. Hermione. Hermione Granger. Ron Weasley. Something come out of my mouth.
Harry
Something
Potter.
just come out of my mouth. Harry Potter. I know, fuck. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore.
You're so retarded.
The rest is Ron Weasley. Hermione Granger.
I've never watched Harry Potter in my life.
I fingered Harry Potter once. It was
Fair
amazing.
enough. I look like Harry Potter.
Then he
back
cast a spell and made a fucking
I
finger
made
me.
you a frog.
Hmm?
You made you a frog.
He made me to think of fucking Rubik's Cube for 4.5 weeks.
Excellent.
XCOZs play the trumpet. Ron Weasley. I feel like a Morphe palette.
You feel like what?
A Morphe palette. This is the most I've ever vlogged in my life. I feel like a YouTuber.
I've never vlogged in
I
my
feel
life.
like a finger.
Finger connoisseur.
Someone better finger me for this YouTube video. I'm gonna go viral in 10 seconds. Or in 10, not 10 seconds. How do you stop it?
Huh?
How do you stop it?
Hit the stop button.
Yeah, stop in the back buttons.
No.
Fuck me. Fucking hell.